Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary with a quick tutorial for you on the Chevrolet Equinox. I'm going to show you how to use the Autosense Tailgate. Now I'm not going to just show you how to use it, I'm going to also show you what happens when it doesn't open. The way it's about to, you just stand here and it will open. As long as you have the key fob on you, it'll do that. Now, there are a couple of little tricks to note here. You can adjust the height and you can make sure it's turned on. Let me show you how you do that. What you need to do is come in here to Settings, and then we're going to go to Vehicle, and we're going to come right down here to Comfort and Convenience, right there. And then we're going to come, number one, we're going to come right here. Make sure that hands-free exterior storage access is set to on or open only, not set to off. But that's not all you can do right here. We can also come right here, power rear gate opening. Notice it's set to maximum. You can set it to custom. That's where you can go back there and adjust it to whatever you want to and it will stay there. Or if it's not working at all, make sure it isn't set to off. So those are the things that you ultimately need to do with your Autosense Tailgate on the Chevrolet Trailblazer to make sure that it's working correctly. That's how it functions. Pretty easy. If there's another tutorial on the Chevrolet Equinox you would like to know about, tell me down in the comments section and I'll make it happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.